2011 to 2017 Chevy Chevrolet Captiva radio upgrade. First of all, we removed the original car imitation wood grain decorative strips. Then, we removed the 2 screws under the decorative strip. Then, we removed the air outlet panel. Loosen the screws and remove the original car button on the panel. Then, we unscrew the screws on both sides of the original car screen. Remove the original car screen and unplug all the wires. Then remove the silver decorative strip and unplug all the wires. Use tools to loosen the 4 screws here. Remove the original car host and unplug all the wires. Here we use measuring instruments to determine the power supply. Start wiring. Connect the power cord we prepared to the original car at one end and the new screen at the other end. Blu-ray lights up. Boot test. Let's test the sound first. After entering the settings, set the steering wheel button. After the test is completed, we will remove the original air outlet accessories and install them on the new screen. Then reconnect the wire and restore other accessories. Let's take a look at the modification. Thank you.